Okay, so this is how to print out a report for your class and post it like the old school way. Well, I mean, you could post it as a PDF, or you could print it out and post it in your class, or have it on the wall, how we used to do. However you like. But what you're going to do is you're going to select reports. Oh, and the key of this is that it prints it out with the student number instead of the name, so you can post it so it's private. Okay, so you go to reports on the left-hand side of Infinite Campus, and then you go to section summary. In section summary, you come over here and you select which classes you want to print out. You don't have to print them all. You can print one, or you can print multiple at a time. So I'm just going to select multiple at a time. And the key down here on the bottom is you need to switch to from name to number, and then you're good to go. So you can generate a PDF, or you can, I think you can make a spreadsheet, but there's lots of different things you can do here. So let's see, what are the other options? Oh, it's a docx, so it's like a Microsoft Word doc. Okay, once that prints, it should show, where is it showing here? There it is. Okay, so then it shows all your assignments, and then it shows your students by number. Okay, and there you have it. Hopefully that's helpful. It does give a list of the assignments, then it gives the assignments you've graded, and as you come down it breaks out the categories. So it's not perfect, but and then there's on to the next section. So you probably want to add in for the students which period is which, so they know where to look. If that helps, let me know if you have questions.